George here from Funny Boys, and today my dad came home with a Lego set. Can you guess which one? It's the Millennium Falcon Collector's Edition. Woo! Do you want to see the main thing? Yeah. Here it is. We thought it'd be a bit bigger.
George, that's the wrong one.
Oh yeah. It's the real one. Ugh. To be honest, it's not the right scale to be considered. It was how much? I don't know. Nice thing. I wish it was. It doesn't look
George,
like on there.
Still got the wrong one, mate.
I do. Oh yeah. Well,
dun, dun, dun.
this is the actual one then.
Whoa!
Ta-da!
There's a little sign here, you know. It's actually pretty good for the amount of money.
You don't have to
Oh,
talk
wait.
about the money.
And I'm here.
Yeah, David.
Shut up.
Alright, come round
Okay.
here. Oh, I thought it was pretty good, to be honest, but we made it better. You want to
How have
see?
you made it better?
Hit the hyperdrive!
Whoa! Awesome!
You want to switch the lights on?
Yes, we should.
Look at that! Chewie, hit the hyperdrive.
No,
Look at that. That is so much better. Fantastic. How long has it taken us, George? It's taken us a week, hasn't it?
About a week and a couple of days.
Yeah.
Oh, so you've already, the Sunday, so yeah, a week and 1 day, wasn't it?
But we've been building over the past weekend, and it's a long weekend, isn't it? Okay,
Yeah,
so
want to
look.
see inside?
Okay, let's have a look. Whoa, who's that?
Ooh.
Snogging.
I think we should leave them at rest. Well, we might leave
With
them.
Porgs. First let me. How do you close this again?
So don't worry about that.
Wait, no, I've got it.
You broke it.
Which one is it? Is it this one, Daddy?
Someone's entering a video.
Batman!
Porgs are C3PO and R2D2.
Spacesuit. Here
Porgs
comes Batman
playing
in his spacesuit.
Very cool.
Pardon?
Dun, dun, dun,
Look at
dun,
the
dun, 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 dun,
Oh, the
dun.
details are amazing. David.
Alright, we'll never beat that, will we, George?
No.
Who's in the cockpit?
Can you open that up or not?
Mm.
No, let's open this up.
Wait, David, before we do that.
Well, hey guys, what's this? Dun, 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 dun. Please stand
You
by.
can open it up.
Please stand by. Dun, dun,
Oh,
dun,
don't worry
dun,
about
dun,
that.
dun,
That's
dun,
hard.
dun, dun.
Alright, so there's this here.
Does this open up?
No.
Who's that in there?
Finn. He's
Ah,
controlling these weapons.
He's
Cool.
doing the laser cannons, isn't he?
Yep.
Fantastic.
Well, how do we get to the other rooms, Daddy?
We don't know where to put it yet, do
Rating
we?
out of 10, George?
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright
Very
then,
good, David.
Wait, how do we
awesome.
get to the other
Don't
room?
leave that one alone. Leave it.
Bye guys, bye bye now. Like and subscribe.
Alright,
See ya.
like and subscribe, everybody.
Hopefully you enjoyed us doing this. Oh, by the way, there's a sidelight.
Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Time to get
Well,
smoked.
I
Hopefully,
enjoyed
See
it.
ya.
hopefully you actually fell for the pranks. I hope you did, please. It's taken us a long while because. Oh,
The biggest book ever.
it's so heavy.
Well,
Yeah.
There's
see ya
about
guys. Time to eat broke
almost 1,000.
Okay, this is
Almost 1,400 instructions.
Yep. Fantastic.
Oh.
Brilliant.
Alright then.
Well done, boys.
Wait, there's
It's
something
impressive.
missing
Bye-bye,
on the
everybody.
mini one. A gun.
Bye, like and subscribe. Hope
Bye,
you
like and
enjoyed.
subscribe.